with Joseph and get the latest on that.
Yeah, yesterday we had an inch of rain total throughout the day, so we had some thunderstorms yesterday that brought in some heavy rain. Today, similar for some neighborhoods, we've had some heavy rain. We'll look at the radar here in just 1 second. I want to show you some of those thunderstorms and some of the lower clouds in the distance that look a little ominous. This is of our camera here off the coin tower with Subaru of Portland. Take a look, temperatures in the mid-50s. We do have some light rain out there around Portland and some heavier rain as well, especially in the northeast section over towards Vancouver on the state line. 59 degrees coming out of Stoller Winery, kind of a stormy view coming from that section of the state as well. And then we have 59 out of Kalama, where we've had some sun breaks, and then the clouds have rolled on in. But if you keep looking east, if we had the camera situated to the east, you'd see all the rain and the thunderstorms that have been firing up for parts of Clark and Cowlitz County. All right, so here's the radar right now. If you're west out towards Beaverton, you're not seeing much, but if you're to the east, you're getting some heavier rain, especially along that 205 section northeast Portland, and then pressing into areas of Gresham at this time. So I do want to zoom on in. This is going to be a burst of rain that is going to be pretty significant. Again, this is east of the Hollywood district there over towards Maywood Park, the Montevilla neighborhood, that section right there. So this is going to be very heavy. It is continuing to travel down towards the southeast. So if you're up towards the northwest here, somewhere around Alberta, you'll probably be on the drier side as those showers continue to move that direction. Camas, Washougal seeing some very heavy rain at this hour as well. So although we have these quick bursts of rain, it only lasts about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. If the drains are a little full, maybe covered, you may have some minor flooding, but for the most part, you shouldn't be dealing with too much. And then you have this cell right here that's been developing. So areas close to La Center probably, these are going to be moving down to the southeast towards Battleground, and we'll continue to watch that as we go into this evening. So some thunderstorm activity. Once the system continues to shift off towards the east, we'll have some dry time. That will come tomorrow, although we still have a shot for maybe a little bit of rain at times for our Monday as well. All right, here's the tropical storm. It has definitely pushed on into areas of the Gulf. Here's some very heavy rain. I've seen a couple tornado warnings as well with those bands to the north. We have the ongoing shower activity off towards the east as well. So some flooding concerns. This is going to slowly move to the north, and as it does, it'll lose some of that steam, and we'll definitely be tracking that for the next day or so. All right, rain totals since midnight, not all that impressive, but once we kind of factor in what we're seeing out there right now, I do expect those totals to start to bump up just a little bit. Newport about a quarter of an inch. Observed rain from yesterday over an inch. The day before almost 4/10 of an inch. So it puts us right here for June, which is the fourth wettest start to a June month that we've had on record. The wettest 2010 at 3 inches just from the 1st to the 6th. All right, so we have more rain for our Tuesday, maybe a couple showers Wednesday and heading into Friday as well. I'll show you on the Futurecast overnight. Slows down a bit. Here's early tomorrow morning, maybe some clouds, a little bit of rain. Pretty dry though for central and eastern Oregon. I don't expect much as we go through our Monday. It's going to be Tuesday though. Looks to be a pretty gloomy and wet day as our next system does arrive for our Tuesday. And sticking around a little bit on Wednesday as well. So a chance for a shower on Wednesday. Should dry up by Thursday with some cloud coverage. But it does look like, Wayne, it's going to be a little wet on and off as we go through the week. I think the driest and warmest day is still going to be on Wednesday.
Yeah, it looks like we lost some of that sunshine we were hoping for yesterday.
We did.
All right. Thank you, Joseph.